Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this section we will deploy the development environment with the help of Code Manager and Puppet file. In previous lectures we have deployed production environment from GitHub. But when you have to work on real servers you should have start with development first. So here we will create a development environment through Code Manager and Puppet file. So let's create a branch development from production branch for Tomcat module. So at this stage you have copied everything from production branch to development branch. Now let's do the changes in dev branch for development environment. Here I will make a small change in Tomcat index environment from production to development. And we'll commit the changes. Now create the development branch for Java module. I do not have any environment changes for Java module, so I will leave it and will move on to Hira data nodes. In Hira data nodes I will add node 2 in development branch to test the development environment changes. Now create the YAML file for node2.devops.com in development branch. And put the entries roles or HEL7 web_tomcat, and commit the changes. Now go to your roles modules and create a development branch. We will not do any file changes in this branch as role will remain same for production and development servers. Next create a development branch for profiles modules. Here you can choose the modules and class to install through Puppet. Like I want NTP modules to get installed in production but not in development, so I will put hash to ignore NTP modules installation through Puppet. And we'll commit the changes. Next go to your control repo which we have created as environment config module and create a development branch. Next edit the Puppet file to limit the module installation for development environment, like here in Puppet file for development branch I will change the branch from production to development. And we'll put hash in NTP module to avoid installing NTP in development servers. Next commit the changes. Next edit the Hira.yaml. And replace the production path to development path to look for trusted certs in development environment only. And commit the changes. Now run Puppet code deploy to deploy the development environment. Once deploy is completed successfully, check for modules created in development environment. And you will not find NTP module as we have not included NTP in Puppet file. Now verify if Tomcat have different environment settings by opening a Tomcat web page application. And you will find the development application page, not a production page. So our development environment has been deployed and you can manage the module installation through Puppet file now. Okay, so in this section we have configured development environment with the help of Code Manager and Puppet file. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.